How to refresh your Google Chrome browser. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to refresh your Google Chrome browser. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google Chrome, and here for example you want to refresh your this is your page and you want to refresh this page. All you need to do is click on those 3 points up there, and you have the icon beside the detail icon, which is that point. Click on it, and now you did refreshed your Google Chrome browser. And this is it, it's the icon at the corner. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.